Imagine this. You've been working late, covering extra shifts, maybe even missing time with your family. And when payday comes, your employer says, sorry, no overtime pay. What do? Do you just let it slide? Or do you stand up for your rights? What if I told you that in Jamaica, you are legally entitled to overtime pay, and your employer refusing to pay it could actually be breaking the law? Let's walk through exactly what you can do when your boss won't pay you the overtime you've earned. First, here's the truth. Under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act and Jamaica's Employment, Termination and Redundancy Payments Act, workers classified as non-managerial or non-executive employees are entitled to overtime pay when they work beyond the standard hours, usually 40 hours per week or 8 hours per day. And the overtime rate? That's usually time and a half, meaning 1.5 times your regular hourly wage. So if you earn $1,000 per hour, your overtime rate should be $1,500 per hour. But what if your employer says, we don't pay overtime here? That's not a company policy, that's a problem. Here's what you should do. Step 1, keep a record of everything. Write down your hours every day. Save timesheets, schedules, messages, emails, anything that proves you work those extra hours. Because when it comes to unpaid overtime, your records are your best friend. Step 2, talk to your employer first. Sometimes it's an honest mistake, a payroll error, or a misunderstanding about your employment classification. Calmly explain your concern and ask for clarification. A simple conversation can sometimes fix the issue without drama. You could say something like, I notice my paycheck doesn't include my overtime hours. Could we review that together? If talking doesn't solve it, then follow step 3. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS. In Jamaica, the MLSS handles complaints about unpaid wages and overtime. You can reach out to the Pay and Conditions of Employment branch. They'll help you file a complaint and can investigate your employer. If your claim is valid, they'll work to recover your unpaid wages. Step 4. If you're in a trade union, tell your representative right away. If not, you can consult a labor attorney. Many offer free or low-cost consultations. And if your case qualifies, you could recover not just your overtime pay, but extra compensation as well. Now, keep this in mind. Some jobs in Jamaica are considered exempt from overtime pay, like managerial or supervisory roles. But that must be clearly stated in your contract. If it's not written, don't assume you're exempt. Let's recap. 1. Keep records. 2. Speak with your employer. 3. File a complaint if needed. 4. Seek legal or union support if necessary. You work those hours. You gave your time and effort. Don't let anyone convince you otherwise. If this video helped you understand your rights as a worker in Jamaica, hit that like button so more Jamaicans can see it too. Subscribe for more videos that protect your paycheck and your peace of mind. And check the description below for links to the Ministry of Labor and other helpful resources. Because at the end of the day, fair work deserves fair pay. Always, don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.